ViTech project was opportunity for Faculty of Technical Sciences in Novi Sad to demonstrate our expertise in developing computer vision gateways and different processing systems and apply them to specific scenario in peri-urban agriculture. Our partner, MoDrone company from Montenegro, had the need to implement these technical systems into their fleet of UAV platforms and drones that are usually used in different applications. And in best effort to answer to their needs, we try to first map the system requirements, and based on these requirements solve the problem.
MoDrone is an ethical company creating a solution in autonomous drone management. We created an innovative solution, a module that enables wireless charging of a drone, increase precision of a drone, and enables autonomous flight and landing.
Technology that was developed by Faculty of Technical Sciences is something that could be used by anybody interested in developing their own applications and scenarios in which information processing from video streams could be useful in solving different kinds of challenges. In simple words, people can now focus on their own job instead of putting a lot of effort in solving technical compatibility issues.